Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
This week's economic calendar is packed with data, ranging from high-impact events to moderate reports. Investors and traders should keep a close watch on these releases, as they can influence decision-making and market movements. These reports can redefine market sentiment quickly. Make sure to watch for any signs of shifts and prepare your strategy to react effectively.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Meta forecast notably larger capital expenses next year thanks to investments in AI, and recorded a nearly $16 billion one-time charge related to US President Donald Trump's Big Beautiful Bill that pummeled its third-quarter profit. A divided US central bank lowered interest rates, and Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell signaled it may be the last cut of the year, especially if the lack of official data during the ongoing government shutdown continues to shroud the true state of the economy in uncertainty. Cryptocurrency asset manager Grayscale Investments has launched its staking-enabled Solana Spot ETF, expanding institutional access to Solana exposure. The Grayscale Solana Trust ETF began trading under the GSOL ticker on the New York Stock Exchange ARCA platform.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 1.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro drop 0.5% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.